I'm Rob Rast, and this is the Miles Jetpack, AKA the E-Skate backpack. As you can see, I've got it here with the Phantom in it, but I just wanted to take 1 second to show you some of the features that we're so excited about with this backpack. We've got some design features in here that have never, ever before been seen on an electric skateboard backpack. So stay with me through the video and I will show you those. First of all, how does it work? It's very simple. So we've got the Phantom in here, and to secure it, we do have 2 clips on the outside of the backpack, a zipper here, and the backpack opens up like a clamshell. So the backpack is designed to be universal and fit not just the Phantom, but you could put the Miles Dual in there. You can put the Miles Rampage in there. We've got 2, these are pretty thin Velcro straps here to keep a low profile on the backpack. Right here, we've got a strap that keeps the board secured to the backpack because you don't want it sliding down. So you can just wrap this around the trucks and adjust this strap to fit the appropriate length for your board. So if you're not rocking the Phantom, you may want to lengthen it for a longer board or shorten it for the Miles Dual. The board comes right out. You can just put the backpack back together when you want to ride the board. The backpack is super comfortable, by the way. We do have some very thick padding on the back. You can see it's almost 3/4 of an inch thick, this nice foam. So when you are wearing it, and if you put the hip straps on, the chest strap on, it feels weightless. It feels so good. Now let's move on to some of the features. So as I mentioned, you do have the hip straps, which are great. You've got chest straps, both of these adjustable, by the way. And you got some other things on there, so let me break down into those features. Right here, you'll notice this is something a little different. This is actually a bottle opener. So after you're riding, of course, if you want to crack open a beer, we don't recommend drinking and riding at any time, but you can crack that open with the backpack. On the left side here, this is a GoPro mount. So with that, it's pretty cool. You can mount a camera, you can do the GoPro, the Insta360, which is great for group rides, or you could do a GoPro shred light mount here. So when you're riding, you get a nice light going in front of you. Now let's move on to the backpack. Let me show you some of the pockets and stuff, and there's a couple other hidden features that we will get to. Right here on the top, you do have a padded felt compartment. So if you want to keep your sunglasses, your phone, your camera lens, etc., nice and not scratched, you can put it in the felt compartment. There's a little side compartment here. Now this is made for the remote, especially. You can see it's not very deep, but it's the perfect size to fit a remote. We do have 2 water bottle holders here because you got to stay hydrated, or you can put your skate tool, other accessories in there. You've got 2 of these front pockets where you can carry pens and stuff, your toothbrush, condoms, notes, whatever you carry. This is a handle, so if you do have the board on there, you could carry the whole backpack like this if you don't want to throw it over your shoulder. A carabiner here if you want to chuck your keys on there, or a helmet or something like that. And I didn't show you the main compartment, which is right here. Got quite a generous amount of space in here. You do have a padded laptop sleeve here. This will fit up to a 15-inch laptop, so pretty much everybody's set there. You've got some more compartments here for pens and things like that, your power bank, whatever you want to put in there. So you can fit quite a lot in this backpack. So if you want to stash your helmet on the backpack, we've got this helmet carrier, so you can put your helmet inside here. And of course, we do recommend wearing a helmet, especially at the high speeds that the Phantom will get you. And this will just hook right around to secure your helmet to the back of the bag. Now, that's not going anywhere, is it? Now, my absolute favorite feature, what do you do when you're on a ride with your buddy and you have a Phantom and he has a boosted board or something with not that much battery capacity? He runs out of batteries and he wants to spoil all the fun. We have the answer for you. It's right in here in the hidden pocket. see if you can guess what that is. So this is the toe strap of the Miles Jetpack. So it's really cool how it works. What you're gonna do is, it's got two little carabiners here. Clip one onto each of the D-clips on the hip straps, and your buddy who ran out of batteries, he can grab the handle and you can tow him. So you don't have to hold his hand while you're riding. So guys, that is it for the Miles Jetpack, AKA E-Skate backpack. I hope you're as excited about it as we are. This, of course, is the backpack that's included with the Phantom Pro bundle, along with the cloud wheels and shred lights. So just wanted to shed some light on that. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.